Hi all, today we are going to discuss about database design. Database design used to organize and structure the data according to a specific model. It helps us to decide what type of information needs to be stored and how it should be organized and how different pieces of data relate to each other. Before going to design a database, we have to consider the following things, that is redundancy and incompleteness. Redundancy is nothing but a repeated information of the same data or information which can be stored in the database. Redundancy that leads to inconsistent. Then incompleteness also will lead to bad database design. The next one is the entity relationship model. The entity relationship model is a database model. By using entity relationship model, we can define overall logical structure of a database. The ER model that contains the basic concepts, that is entity sets, relationship sets, and attributes. A ER diagram that can represent the overall logical structure of a database in a graphical way. Entity set, an entity set is a thing or object in the real world. Whatever we are looking around in the world is called as a object. Example, you may consider a person, pen, or book. A person may have a properties and the values of height, color, width. Pen also may have a attributes of color, height, width. Book may also have the attributes of height, width, and color. Then next one is entity set. An entity set is entities that have the same type and also that share the common properties and attributes. In this slide, I have mentioned two entities, that is instructor and student. Instructor have a certain type of attributes, that is id, name, and salary. Student have a set of attributes, that is id, name, and total credits. The first part is the colored, the blue color. First part is define entity, then second part define the attributes of this entity. Then relationship set that define the association among the several entities. For this, I have taken instructor and the student entities. Instructor and the student, by having these two entities, we can define some type of relationship among instructor and the student. The advisor is going to be a relationship among instructor and student entity. We have two types of relationship, that is binary relationship and ternary relationship. Binary relationship that involves two entity sets. In case of ternary relationship, that involves more than two entities. By having the ternary and binary relationship, we can define the degree of relationship. The next one is attributes. We have a certain type of attributes, that is simple attributes, composite attributes, single valued attributes, multi-valued attributes, and derived attributes. Let's discuss about what is simple and composite, single valued, multi-valued, and derived attributes by looking an example. Look at the diagram. Consider a name entity or name entity set or whatever. Name may have a set of attributes like first name, middle name, and last name. Address also may have a certain type of attributes, that is called street and city, state, and postal code. Again, we may have a set of attributes by dividing a street number, street name, and apartment number. Single valued attributes. Single valued attributes, it have a single value for a particular entity. For example, consider a student id. It refers only one student id, so it is called as a single valued attribute. Multi-valued attributes. Multi-valued attributes is an attribute that has a set of values for a specific entity. Consider an instructor entity. It may have a phone number or something of instructor id, likewise. Then derived attributes. Derived attributes can be derived from the values of other related attributes or entities. Consider an entity. From that entity, we can derive some more attributes. That will be called as your derived attributes.